Hello world! In the same way that ride-on lawnmowers are not the best place for recording a video introduction, I've discovered, not all fabrics are equal for walking a Camino. The final episode in understanding base layer fabric starts now. With one of these smashing the other three out of the ballpark, I've split them into two different groups for scoring. Well, look at this for performance. It would have been ones across the board if not for Tencel pushing durability at one point, but pretty disastrous really. Whereas silk is looking incredible on this page, although not hitting the scores that polyester would get, it's beaten merino and really being a strong jack of all trades. And this shows why you cannot take these on a Camino. Cotton fabrics will hold up to 2,500% of their weight in water, compared to just 33% for merino or only 0.4% for polyester. And silk isn't that much better at water absorption, scoring the same 2 out of 5 as merino, holding about 30% of its weight, but still warm when wet, exactly the same, and with a 3 out of 5 at wicking, not bad. Finally a good score for cotton bamboo and Tencel being breathable, very luxurious and comfortable to wear, but they can stink again if you don't wash them all the time. Silk again though coming in with some very reasonable scores, just scoring 1 below merino in each of these categories. So we have a landslide winner with silk on 28 and the other naturals only coming in with a measly 13. The problem with both though is that silk is too expensive and most of the manufacturers do not make well designed pure silk clothing. And the cotton, bamboo and Tencel just cannot go on a Camino. It's got all of the wrong properties. It's great for on a beach vacation, sitting in the evening with a cocktail, but really not for a Camino. So my picks on what's best for the Camino overall would be, for tops, merino, 120 to 140 merino blended with silk or polyester. The socks would be a merino nylon blend, and underwear a merino nylon blend if it's winter, or just a well-engineered nylon outside of winter in the other months. Whatever you do choose to take, I wish you a very safe and buen Camino. And please don't forget, if you've got this far, go and hit that subscribe so you can see all the other stuff I'm going to be putting on. Thank you, bye.